What's up YouTube? Today I wanted to quickly go over a little ghost trail slash doubled effect in Premiere Pro. So it's pretty simple effect. As you can see, the screen got the screen multiplied there and then kind of fades out, creates a cool kind of hypnotic look, and then it just fades out. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go into your main clip here and you're going to want to, you can use C and V to cut where you want to start and end it, and then you're going to take that cut and you're going to Control C and Control V as many times as you want to create that layer. So as you can see here, I did it 3 times. This right here is the first one. And then basically to create the effect, you're just going to go in to your effect controls. You're going to keyframe position and scale, and you can do rotation if you want as well. You can mess around with that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to scale it down and then move it here to the corner like I did, down and right to the corner. And then you're going to go through and you're going to do that for each one. So on the one above that, you would move it down so that you can, you got to move it down further than the first one so you can actually see that it's there. But yeah, you're going to go through and do that. And then you're going to go, oh, I think I keyframed that on accident. And then you're going to go through and do that for all of those. I'm actually going to move this one down a bit more. And then I'm going to go through and I'm going to move this one down a bit more too. Yeah, that looks way better. So, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go into your clip. You're going to do this for each of them. You're going to keyframe the opacity. So you're going to start at 100 at the beginning of the clip. And on the end, you're going to set it, go here and set it to 0. You're going to do that for each of the layers you've created. And then that's pretty much it, guys. It's something you can mess around with the colors. Mess around with rotation, really anything. You can add other effects to it, and including transitions, and really kind of make this look cool. But it's a good foundation to start from. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tutorials like this.